Monday, July 1. Japan will be the first to report on important economic events on Monday. At 2:50 will be published the Tankan Large Manufacturing Index. This is a statistical survey conducted by the Bank of Japan. It is aimed at identifying corporate trends, and the resulting data serve as a tool for determining changes in monetary policy. It is an important indicator of the Japanese economy. At 17 o'clock, the United States will report the ISM Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index. It reflects business conditions in the United States manufacturing sector in the reporting month. The index is calculated based on the results of a survey of representatives of several hundred companies from 18 industries in the United States manufacturing sector. The growth of the index is usually positively reflected in the American dollar. Tuesday, July 2. On July 2 at noon, Eurostat will report on the unemployment rate in the Eurozone. The report represents the number of unemployed as a percentage of the total labor force in the region. The calculation is done on a monthly basis. Rising unemployment rates tend to have a negative effect on the euro. Also, in the focus of traders' attention on this day will be the USA. At 17 o'clock they will publish a report on the JOLTS job openings. This is a monthly report on open jobs in the trade, manufacturing and office sectors in the United States. Economists use it to analyze a country's labor market and characterize business cycles. Generally speaking, an increase in job openings is favorable for the dollar. Wednesday, July 3. On Wednesday, for 30 Australia will announce retail sales data. It reflects the change in turnover from the sale of goods at retail outlets in the quarter under review compared to the same period last year. The indicator is highly seasonal, with a notable percentage of all retail sales in the country occurring during the Christmas and New Year holidays. If retail sales growth slows, it could have a negative impact on the Australian dollar. Market players should also pay attention to China. At 4:45 there will be published the Caixin Services Purchasing Managers Index. In the questionnaire, survey participants evaluate how the situation with various business indicators changed at their company in the previous month, improved, worsened, or did not change. An index value above 50 indicates a general increase in business activity in the service sector. Its increase may have a favorable effect on the yuan. Thursday, July 4, 9 o'clock Germany will report factory orders. The data reflects the value of all orders for the supply of products produced domestically by companies in the manufacturing sector or subcontractors. The growth of the index indicates the expansion of the German economy and may contribute to the growth of the euro. Also on this day, 9:30 Switzerland will inform about the Consumer Price Index. It shows the change in prices for a fixed basket of goods and services in the reporting month compared to the previous month. It is the main indicator of consumer inflation. CPI growth, as a rule, leads to an increase in the Swiss franc. Also on this day, 9:30 Switzerland will inform about the Consumer Price Index. It shows the change in prices for a fixed basket of goods and services in the reporting month compared to the previous month. It is the main indicator of consumer inflation. CPI growth, as a rule, leads to an increase in the Swiss franc. At 15:30 Canada will report on the employment change. It reflects the change in the number of full-time and part-time workers during the reporting month. The data is presented on a seasonally adjusted basis. Full-time employment growth is usually interpreted as a favorable factor in the development of the economy.